Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today my drawing is for my Chinu Minus. So if this is your page children, what you are supposed to draw is a ulta U pattern, okay? So you draw ulta U pattern right at the center of the page, okay? This should be your length. अभी क्या करने का पता है, इसके ऊपर we have to draw 3 shandies, 1, 2 and 3. You can draw it anyhow. If you want it straight, you can draw it straight, and then this is your ulta U pattern, okay? After that you're going to do you have to leave a little bit of space and you have to do a Sida U pattern, correct? So you have done a ulta U pattern and a Sida U pattern, but see, it is not oval. Now what you have to do is go little inside, come out, go little inside and come out. So you have made like a pear. This shape is like a pear, but it is a Jadia pear, okay? Abhi, our next step is, see, you have to take this part. This part should be, now we can rub this. If you want the shandy to be like that, you can take a shandy like that also, showing a V. अभी ये हो गया. इसके बाद what we have to do is we have to write number 3. See, this is number 3, Soyawa number 3, okay? This is Soyawa number 3 and put a smile. After you do this, you will again write a Teda U. Okay, a little Teda U. Again you are going to write, ये सोयावा सी इस डायरेक्शन में था, 3 इस डायरेक्शन में था. अभी ये या मेरी नो की टूट गई. सोयावा सी इस डायरेक्शन, 3 इस डायरेक्शन में, ठीक है? एक इस डायरेक्शन में, एक इस डायरेक्शन में, एंड देन यू हैव टू टेक अ लाइन इनसाइड टिल हियर. अभी नाउ योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज, यू ऑल नो हाउ टू मेक अ ट्रायंगल, ठीक है? सो इसका जो ये बेस है ना, ये इसके इधर ही we will make a triangle, but the edges are going to be gulla, not pointed edges, okay? Then we will make a nargundu. After making a nargundu, we will make a small dash on the nose. उसके बाद we will take 2 points here, but this is not the eye. What you are going to do is, from here you will go up, come down and return, go up, come down and return, ठीक है? अभी क्या करने का है, अभी हमको एक अंडू बनाने का है, फिर एक नारगुंडू बनाने का है, फिर एक अंडू बनाने का है, फिर एक नारगुंडू बनाने का है, ठीक है? और उसके बाद वील मेक द आईब्रोज. आवर डॉग इज़ वेरी स्टाइलिश. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, वी विल जस्ट मेक अ पैच हियर बिकॉज डॉग्स हैव पैच, करेक्ट? नाउ आवर डॉग इज नॉट ओवर. So what we will do is we will take 2 points. ये तो कान के पॉइंट है. अभी कान कैसे बना? To make the कान, first you have to go up, फिर नीचे गिरना है, then take a turn and leave. Similarly here you can make it a little differently here because they shouldn't be the same one. इस कान से वो सुन रहा है, अच्छा आज मेरी बात हो रही है, तो हम उसकी बात कर. अभी ये छोटा है, ये नीचे गिरा, फिर ये ऊपर आया और छोड़ देने का. अभी व्हाट यू आर सपोज टू डू, टेक अ लाइन फ्रॉम हियर एंड लाइन फ्रॉम हियर. नाउ वी हैव टू टेक अ लाइन फ्रॉम हियर एंड अ लाइन फ्रॉम हियर. यू अंडरस्टूड? ये कान खड़े करके सुन रहा है. अभी ये खड़े करके सुन रहा है तो कान का साइज थोड़ी ना चेंज होएगा. मैं भी तो बुद्धू बन गई, तो इसको हम थोड़ा सा लंबा कर देंगे, ठीक है? सो दीज आर द ईयर्स ऑफ योर डॉगी. नाउ हम लोग को कुत्ते का पट्टा बनाने का है. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल जस्ट मेक अ डबली हियर. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर व्हाट वी विल डू इज वी विल टेक अ turn here. Now this was thought to be by my student. I had, you know, when I was teaching, I had made a strawberry here, but my student was very intelligent. What did she do is she made a haddi here, a bone, okay? And on the bone you can write the name of your doggy. I am writing Tuffy, Tuffy. मैंने टफ़ी लिखो, टॉमी लिखो, whatever comes to your mind you can write that. So this is Tuffy. So his टफ़ी का मुंह बन गया. अभी टफ़ी की हमको बॉडी बनानी है. So कैसे बनानी है? सी, फ्रॉम ये पट्टा है ना, पट्टे से नीचे, पट्टे से नीचे, ठीक है? उसके बाद what you have to do is take you have to write number 11 here, okay? After that you have to close it, H लिखना है. नंबर 11 के बाद एक H लिखना है. Now from here, see, now from both inside parts what you are going to do, go here and come back, go here and come back, go here and come back. Similarly, from here you'll take a turn, come back, take a turn, come back, and I have, okay, and take a turn, come back. So his paws are done. अभी इधर से हमको क्या करना है, 6 लिखने का है, ट्यूं 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 करके 6 लिखना है. लेकिन अभी तो हमारे इधर पैर आ रहे हैं, तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम ये 6 का ये पार्ट हम रब कर देंगे. वेट, see this was our 6, correct? We'll take it a little below. It went inside and it is coming out here, our 6. This was our 6. Now I have rubbed this part which was coming in the leg part. Now my doggy has become a little jhadia. Every time I make the doggy, it turns out to be a little different doggy than usual. Wait, I'll make his body a little patlu. It's become too big, so he'll not look that bad. Now we have to just make the tail. Okay, now where is our doggy sitting? Our doggy is sitting on a grass, and we'll make a little different type of flower. Okay, he is having one undo, then we have to make a flower like how we usually make a flower. Okay, then you have to doubly it, and make a danda and a leaf. Okay children, let me tell you, our project is all hotcakes now, and we are going to launch it very soon, and I want all of you all to take part. Now in this project, since money is a criteria, here we have given different angles of money over here. You will soon know. But children, please join in good amounts in canvas and scissors. Now I made the group a little different. Post can be posted only after my approval, because there was someone from some outside country which was trying to spill dirt into the group, and I had no control over it because my group was open. I thought it is a children group and parents, but then there was some naughty fellow from outside. He's trying to do some dirty things inside. भगा दिया. अभी ये हमारा डॉगी बन गया. अभी डॉगी बनने के बाद what we will do is we'll make a goal here, then we'll make a body. Can you all understand what it is? This was also suggested by my children, because there are flowers, there will be butterflies who will come, and this butterfly wants to take the nectar from this flower, but पहले वो टफ़ी के ऊपर बैठ गई है. और इधर जो ये वो था, इधर आई एम मेकिंग वन मोर पैच हियर फॉर माई टफ़ी, and my tuffy is all set ready. Now I'll quickly do the sketch pen and come back. That part I'll just omit. As puch karke I'll do the sketch pen. Okay, so our tuffy is done with the sketch pen and all set ready to be colored. So what I've taken a fluorescent pink color. You know why I've taken the fluorescent pink color? I'm going to color tuffy's jeep with fluorescent pink color. Okay, after that what I have taken is a buff color, children. The buff color you can use for the eye patch, okay, because our tuffy is brown and white. I have already done dogs initially also, but now the children want another dog. Children love dogs, so do I. सो हम लोग इस पे क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग ये वाला कलर कर रहे हैं. ये बफ कलर है, ठीक है, ये दो पैचेस पे. और ये कान के इधर जो नीचे है ना, दिस पार्ट वी आर डूइंग दिस बफ कलर. ओके, आफ्टर डूइंग दिस बफ कलर व्हाट वी हैव टेकन इज अ वाइट कलर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मर्ज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ग्रे. नाउ व्हाट विल वी डू इज, इधर हम थोड़ा सा ग्रे डाला. आई जस्ट शो यू वेयर द ग्रेज विल बी देयर. दिस पार्ट, this part, this part and this part, okay, and this part, yes of course. अभी हम लोगों को ने ग्रे कर दिया. अच्छा, ये इधर फेस के इधर भी कर देते थोड़ा सा. Now what we are doing is our guli with white. We don't want that part to be grey, so we are putting a white on the grey and just scribbling it a little bit out on the ear. Now what you can do, if you are having earbuds, you can use earbuds. If you're not having earbuds, you can just take your finger and scroll it, but be careful that you shouldn't come out. Okay, out आया तो out हो जाएगा, ठीक है. अभी ये इधर फेस पे हम लोगों ने कैसे गुच 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 गा 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 गा। इसके बाद हम लोग ने इसको ऐसे खिच पिच खिच पिच खिच पिच करके, अभी मैंने इसकी मूंछ नहीं बनाई है, अरे हम लोग इधर से तो टिपकी टिपकी डाल देते, टिपकी 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 डाल देते ताकि उसकी मूंछ की जगह हो जाए, ठीक है। अभी जो इसके खोपड़े पे है ऐसे सिर्फ वाइट कलर कर देना है। एंड नाउ दिस ईयर के भी ग्रे पे वी विल डू अ वाइट, ओके, देन वील यूज अ फिंगर एंड स्क्रब इट। कपड़े धोते ना वैसे स्क्रबिंग करनी है, ठीक है। अभी इधर हमने ग्रे किया है तो ग्रे के ऊपर हमने वाइट किया, उसको थोड़ा सा बाहर लेकर आए, डिक चिक डिक चिक डिक। इधर का भी हम डूइंग इट इन अ कंटिन्यूस बेसिस, बाहर लेकर आए, इधर थोड़ा बाहर लेकर आए और इधर थोड़ा सा बाहर लेकर आए, ठीक है। आई होप ऑल योर एग्जाम्स आर ओवर। यार तुम लोग के कितने एग्जाम्स होते हैं? जब मैं पूछू तुम लोग यार पेंटिंग क्यों नहीं बना रहे, कैनवस एंड सीजर्स पे लोड क्यों नहीं करे, टीचर हमारा एग्जाम चल रहा। अरे कितना एग्जाम होते रे तुम लोग का, खत्म ही नहीं होता तुम लोग का एग्जाम। एग्जाम है एग्जाम है एग्जाम है एग्जाम है, अरे इतना एग्जाम, इतना एग्जाम इतना एग्जाम इतना एग्जाम। सो this is done. Now what we can do is we can take our sketch pens. I am taking a little bit of sketch pen for the inner parts just for fun. I like to use everything what I have. I don't waste anything. So I have just taken the stem के लिए green color. This is a very nice and bright green on in our pen, the sketch pens, the water based pens. They are called the sketch pens. और किधर नहीं किया मैंने हम अभी ये मेरे पास ये, अच्छा हम लोग टफ़ी का ये जो पट्टा है ना उसको भी हम लोग रानी कलर कर देते हैं। माई टफ़ी लाइक्स दिस, सी दिस इज़ अ डार्कर शेड ऑफ दिस, सो आई एम डूइंग इट हियर। माई टफ़ी इज़ वेरी कलरफुल पर्सन, ना, ही लाइक्स ऑल कलरफुल ड्राइंग्स, दैट इज़ वाई आई एम मेकिंग हिज पट्टा ऑल्सो वेरी कलरफुल। माई टफ़ी का पट्टा कलरफुल। अच्छा अभी हम करेंगे फ्लोरेसेंट कलर का उसका ये बेल्ट का इधर का, ओके। एंड आई विल मेक माई टफ़ीज आईज ब्लू इन कलर, सो माई टफ़ी हैज ब्लू आईज एंड ओके आई विल डू द बटरफ्लाई। सो द बटरफ्लाई saw this patta, it was also rani color, so she said, oh fine, this dog has the same color like my wings, so let's sit on this dog. So she came and she sat on this dog. Do you know that? So I'm just making circles with sketch pens. This is a bright color, children. Since this is a bright color, I'm using it. So now what I will do is I'm just giving a little bit of shading with the sketch pen. It's just 1 1 1 1 1. अभी नीचे से ऐसे 1 1 1 1 1 1 1। अभी ये बीच का पार्ट में हम लोग से वैसे डॉट्स करेंगे। बटरफ्लाइज के बहुत सारे डिज़ाइंस होते हैं ना, उसमें से ये एक डिज़ाइन है, जो मन में आए कर लेना, इट इज़ योर कॉल। नाउ फॉर दिस वी विल यूज़ फ्लोरेसेंट हियर, फ्लोरेसेंट हियर, फ्लोरेसेंट हियर, एंड वी विल यूज़ ब्राउन, brown here, brown here, and brown here. So our butterfly is also ready. Now if you all wish, you all can do the flowers also with sketch pens, or you all can do it with water, what do you call this here, the pastel colors, that is your call again. So I am showing you the flowers के बीच का पहले येलो कर देने का, ऐसे गुंचड़ा पुंचड़ा गुंचड़ा पुंचड़ा. After that you take your normal brown, children, your normal chocolate brown, and you do पिंगड़ा पिंगड़ू पिंगड़ा पिंगड़ू. ठीक है. इसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 2 स्टैंडिंग लाइन x and 0 खेलेंगे फ्लावर के साथ. 2 स्टैंडिंग लाइन्स x and 0. उसके बाद हम लोग है ना बाद में मिलकर खेलते हैं. ठीक है, x and 0. अभी हम लोग को ये फ्लावर्स को अलग सा कलर करने का. सो विच एवर कलर यू लाइक द मोस्ट. नाउ आई विल यूज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ब्लू एंड पर्पल एंड शो यू. सो सी, ये जो इनर पार्ट है ना, इसको मैं ब्लू कर रही हूँ. दिस इज माई ब्लू कलर फ्लावर. Why I am doing the inner part blue is because our sky is also going to be blue. तो वो blue blue clash हो जाएगा. You can use any color for the flower. It is an open choice for you, children. So I am doing it blue with my oil pastels. And And then at the background I'm using this violet color, a little different way. You can use your choice of colors, absolutely your choice. I only mean to say that you should make your drawing very, 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 very colorful. That's what I like. Recently Nihar has made a very colorful Radha Krishna drawing. I'm greatly impressed by his Radha Krishna. Both must, all 7 colors of the rainbow he's used. Superb. Superb, superb, superb. And now I'm using my fluorescent pink for this flower. और fluorescent pink के साथ कौन सा combination अच्छा लगेगा? I think so red would look the best. So let's do it red. So I'm using red for the outer part. There is no shading. Let it be simple so that all children can perform this drawing and show it to me on the group canvas and scissors. Children, you'll just have to post. The rest thing I will do. I have to just approve the post. Try to understand, children, there is something which is not working well and it's a children's group and I don't want anything bad happening over here. So I have just restricted. Otherwise there was no restriction for anyone to post anything. But now we have put some restrictions because of some dirty people. Okay, now I have taken my leaf green color, children. So half the leaf is leaf green. Okay, half the leaf, not the complete one. Half the leaf is leaf green. Here, half the leaf here is also leaf green. There are any more leaves? No. अभी ये जो हम लोग को येलो ग्रीन कलर होता है, we have to take this yellow green color and do the it became a powder. My God, can you see this? It became a powder. अच्छा, मेरे को पता अभी यार है ना दिवाली इसलिए पाउडर बन गया ताकि मैं इससे रंगोली बनाऊं. But I'm very weak at rangolis. But now my Ganpati Bappa is coming. But I don't know whether we'll be able to again bring the idol home or no. So much of restrictions and we too need to be. वो एक ऐड आता है ना, हाथी निकल गई पूछ बाकी है. We have to be careful, children. Every one of us have to be a little more careful so that we can drive this corona away. You know, I just heard a song. Why this corona, corona gonna please. वो है ना वो पापा 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 वो वाले गाने. Why this corona, corona gonna please. If it vanishes year 2022, the schools will reopen. As it is, I'm in Bachcha Party, whether there was corona or whether there is no corona. I like to be with Bachcha Party all the time because you'll keep me young. Though I am growing old, but you'll keep me young because I am with the young crowd, correct? And I always like to be with the young crowd. तुम लोग जब बुड्ढे हो जाओगे ना, मैं तुम लोग को छोड़ दूंगी वापस से छोटे बच्चों को, मतलब तुम लोग के बच्चों को सिखाऊंगी फिर मज्जा. तुम लोग बुड्ढे हो जाओगे पर भी तनु आंटी बुढ़ी नहीं होएगी. तनु आंटी तुम लोग के बच्चों को पढ़ाकर भी यंग रहेगी. आई विल ऑलवेज रिमेन विद किड्स. What is corona, corona gonna please. Papa, 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 papa. Okay, now you can take your leaf green color which we took here, children, and what we can do is we can make the shadow of this kutra. So what you have to do is just put a little bit of leaf green here. No, Tuffy. Sorry, Tuffy. This Tuffy will get mad on me. Oh wow, nice sound. So My toffee shadow is done, my toffee's flowers are done, my toffee's butterfly is done. Now what is remaining is the sky. So for the sky, what we are going to do is we are going to use our cheaty wala blue and our light blue and our white. So let's do it. I'm giving a little bit of shading because एकदम थकेला थकेला लग रहा है, नहीं तो है ना. It should be very colorful. बच्चा parties are always colorful. So this much part will be Antwerp. Okay. Then this much part is going to be light blue. एंड ऊपर मैं घसर पट्टी करके वाइट लेकर जाऊंगी. सो व्हाट आई डू, आई विल नॉट घसो द कलर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, आई जस्ट कलर दिस एंड आई विल कम बैक टू यू. So children, can you see I have colored the entire background. What I had done is I have done Antwerp here, then I have done my light blue here and my white here. और मैंने एक दूसरे के घर घुसा दिया. अभी जब हम लोग इसको पोस्ट करेंगे ना, तो हम क्या करेंगे पता है, we will just redo all her blacks. You can do it with a graphite pencil and you can put two strands here, number 11, number 11, number 11 if you want to. It's not a compulsion. Number 11, and then you have to do it again so that you know the entire border is visible, very clearly and neatly visible. So wherever you find it is gone a bit lighter, you can redo that border and then post it. Now here I am not doing number 11 and here I have done number 11. Now you all see to yourself whichever method you like, you please do that method. But yes, do see that इसका हम लोग है ना, ये टफ़ी को हम लोग पार्टी पे भेज रहे, तो इसको मस्त में मेकअप करने का. और हमारी ड्राइंग का मेकअप होता है हमारा ब्लैक कलर विच इज़ यूज्ड एट द एंड. इट्स द मोस्ट डोमिनेटिंग कलर एंड इट्स द मोस्ट. अरे मेरी ये कुत्ते की ये स्माइल चली गई थी. I did not realize. So let your dog be smiling, not frowning, okay? Let your dog be cute. And please, all my Chinuminus, I wish you all do this and I post it on canvas and scissors. I want to see everyone's Tuffy. It is not necessary you all write Tuffy. You all can write Tommy. You all can write Buzo. You can write Fluffy. You can write any kutre ka naam. Okay? Sorry. Whichever, matlab, the dog's name on this bone. Okay, you all can make a thali for it and put food. You can put a ball. I have put a butterfly here on his here, and I have put 2 flowers, so he's sitting in the garden and enjoying himself, playing with the butterflies. Okay, he's trying to catch the butterflies, running about with the butterflies, and there are flowers. Butterflies are going to the nectar and they are also teasing Tuffy. So make this entire drawing very colorful and send it on Canvas and Scissors group, which is an FB group meant only for children. Okay, you bad boys better understand, don't put any dirt into it. Abhi to aisa hoega nahi, I have restricted it, but still it's a shame on you all who are doing it. So do this and do post your drawings on Canvas and Scissors, and please join in new good numbers, because very soon we'll be coming up with a new project which I'll be explaining on Canvas and Scissors. So be tuned with us all the time, because Sanskriti Arts is a platform for all young budding artists and even for the art teachers. So bye till then, have a nice day, have a blast. Good night.